Guys, how's it going? We are in Hutto, Texas today. We are showing off one of our latest lease properties. We are at 112 Killian Loop in Hutto. Hutto is right outside of Austin, about 15 minutes outside of Austin, about 5 minutes outside of Round Rock, Texas. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, leasing out for $16.50 per month. Hola, ¿cómo están mis amigos? Tenemos una casa hoy aquí que lo vamos a mostrar en Hutto, Texas. Hutto, si saben, es como 15 minutos fuera de Austin, como unos 5 minutos fuera de Round Rock. Estamos rentando esta casa, 3 recámaras, 2 baños. Se está rentando a $1,650 por mes. ¿Me siguen, no? Follow me, please. All right, here we are at 112 Killian Loop, right outside of Hutto, Texas. And there we go, for lease. All right, little plug there. Aquí estamos en la casa de 112 Killian Loop, fuera de Hutto, Texas. 3 recámaras, 2 baños, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Gorgeous neighborhood, look at that. Really quiet neighborhood. Nice manicured lawns. Bring the kids. All right, look at that, the door's open. Pásenle, eh? Look at that. Nice hardwood floors. Look at that kitchen. All right. ¿Qué piensan mis amigos, eh? Piso de madera. Huge backyard. Bring your pets. And we got a grill. Again, $16.50 per month. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. $1,650. 3 recámaras, 2.5 baños porque tiene su medio baño. Let's look upstairs. Vamos arriba, ¿no? Second living area. Tiene su segunda sala. Caso que quieras tener. Master bedroom. Huge master bedroom. Super grande el master. Fíjense qué tan amplio está. Okay. El baño, master bath. Double sink, doble vanity. Recámara 2 y 3. Really good size. Número 3. Hey buddy, what's going on? All right. ¿Qué tal mascota? Hey, what's going on? All right. Y el baño principal. How's it going? The plug there. So again, guys, $16.50 per month, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, right in the heart of Hutto. Brand new build. I think it's a 2006 that we're working with. Gorgeous home, 2 living areas, and I'm out.